Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello, a shop order calls for 1800 steel pins. Total number of pins that needs to be manufactured pins that needs to be manufactured is equal to 1800. Now each pin is 1/5 of an inch, and to manufacture each pin 3/8 of an inch is also used for cutting and facing each pin. So the length of stock that is necessary for manufacturing each pin is well at most 3/8 of an inch. Well, at most the length of the pin plus the length that is uh, wasted or used for cutting and facing each pin. So at maximum this amount of stock is used to manufacture one pin. To manufacture one pin you need this length of stock, so which is equal to 1/8 1/5 is equal to 13 by 8. It is 8 plus 5, which is 13, plus 3 by 8, which is 13 plus 3 is um, 16. 16 by 8, which is 2. Ah, this many inches. So this thing is 2 inch. So we to manufacture one pin, we need 2 inch of stock. Now in one complete 10 feet length of stock, the number of pins that you can make is equal to um, yeah, the number of pins, the number of pins. Let me erase this. So the number of pins we can make out of, well, the number of pins we can make, the minimum number of pins, actually I should write. Why I am saying minimum is this wastage 3 by 8 is a upper bound. We can, the amount wasted can be less than that. So in that case, the number of pins may increase, but the minimum number of pins that we can make out, sorry, the minimum number of pins that we can make out of one complete 10 feet length of stock is equal to uh, 10 feet divided by 2 inch. Total length of stock divided by the length that is necessary for one pin. Now to able to divide this, we have to convert the feet to inches. So it is equal to 10. 1 feet is 12 inches. So it is this many inches divided by 2 inches. Now inch will cancel and 2 will give 6, and we will have 60. So one 10 feet length of stock, one complete 10 feet length of stock makes at minimum 60 pins. So to meet an order, meet an order uh, of 1800 pins, we need at most now at most 1800 the total number of pins that we need to make divided by the total number of pins we can make out of one 10 feet length of stock, that is 60. So we need this many complete. We need at most this thing which is equal to um, we need at most 30 complete 10 feet lengths of stock. Yeah. So to meet an order of 1800 pins, we need uh, at most the number of pins that we want to make divided by the number of pins we can the minimum number of pins that we can make out of a 10 feet length of stock, which is 60. So 1800 by 60 is 30. So we need at most 30 complete 10 feet lengths of stock to make 1800 pins and hence meet the order. And this completes the solution to this question. I hope this is useful. Thank you.